world, I find it very important to focus on good health. That means regular exercise, plenty of rest, and a proper diet. All these areas help in a feeling of well-being. Healthy eating can be as simple as the sweet chili veal tie wraps I'm going to prepare for you once I get home from the gym. Remember, veal is a healthy meal. Shown here are the ingredients for these fun and easy finger food wraps I'm about to make. Start off by seasoning the veal cutlets with salt and freshly ground pepper. In a skillet over medium to high heat, heat the cooking oil. Add the veal cutlets. Brown approximately 2 minutes on each side. A helpful tip that Nancy likes to go by is just a hint of pink should remain in the cutlet. Then you know it is cooked to perfection. Transfer the browned cutlets to a cutting board and let cool slightly. Slice the veal diagonally into thin strips. 1 pound of veal cutlets will make up to 6 tortilla shells. Lots of fresh vegetables add many nutrients to this very satisfying and easy recipe. In a bowl, add veal strips, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, thinly sliced red peppers, chopped green onions, grated carrots, and cucumbers. Combine the mixture, stirring evenly to distribute the sauces. On a 9-inch tortilla shell, place 1 lettuce leaf and 1/6 of the vegetable mixture. Sprinkle fresh basil and fresh mint on top. Fold up the bottom of the shell first, followed by each side. Roll the shell together and slice in half diagonally. Serve with additional sweet chili sauce for dipping. See you next time, Nancy.